Crash Course, Iowa State, USA. Geo Location. Iowa is a state located in the Midwestern region of the United States. It is bordered by 6 states: Minnesota to the north, Wisconsin and Illinois to the east, Missouri to the south, Nebraska to the west, and South Dakota to the northwest. With a total area of approximately 145,746 square kilometers, 56,272 square miles, Iowa is the 26th largest state in the country. Capital and population. Des Moines is the capital and largest city of Iowa. As of the latest estimates, the population of Iowa is around 3.2 million people. The state has a mix of urban and rural areas, with Des Moines being the most populous city. Economy. Iowa has a diverse economy, with agriculture playing a significant role. The state is known for its fertile soil, which makes it a major producer of corn, soybeans, hogs, and eggs. In addition to agriculture, Iowa has a strong manufacturing sector, with industries such as food processing, machinery, and chemicals. The state is also home to several insurance companies and financial institutions. Overall, Iowa's economy is robust and contributes significantly to the nation's GDP. Education. Iowa has a well-regarded education system, with a focus on both primary and higher education. The state is known for its commitment to quality education, and its schools consistently rank high in national assessments. Iowa State University, located in Ames, is one of the leading universities in the state and is renowned for its programs in agriculture, engineering, and veterinary medicine. Brief history. Iowa's history dates back thousands of years, with evidence of Native American settlements as early as 13,000 BC. The state was explored by European settlers in the late 1600s, and permanent settlements began in the early 1800s. Iowa became a territory in 1838 and achieved statehood in 1846. Throughout its history, Iowa played a significant role in agriculture, transportation, and the expansion of the United States. It also witnessed important events such as the Civil War, the development of the railroad, and the women's suffrage movement. Culture. Iowa has a rich cultural heritage, influenced by its diverse population and history. The state hosts several festivals and events throughout the year that showcase its traditions, including the Iowa State Fair, which is one of the largest and most renowned state fairs in the country. Iowa is also known for its love of sports, particularly football and wrestling. The state's strong sense of community and Midwestern values are reflected in its friendly and welcoming atmosphere. Politics. Iowa plays a crucial role in American politics due to its early caucus and primary elections. The state's voters have a significant influence on the selection of presidential candidates, and candidates often spend considerable time campaigning in Iowa during election seasons. Iowa has a reputation for its active and engaged electorate, making it an important political battleground. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions in Iowa State. 1. Iowa State Capitol, located in Des Moines. The State Capitol building is a beautiful architectural gem that offers guided tours and showcases Iowa's rich history. 2. Field of Dreams, made famous by the movie of the same name, this baseball diamond in Dyersville is a popular tourist destination for fans of the film and baseball enthusiasts. 3. Effigy Mounds National Monument. This preserved area in northeast Iowa features over 200 Native American mounds, shaped like animals, birds, and other figures. 4. Amana Colonies, a collection of 7 historic villages founded by German settlers. The Amana Colonies offer a glimpse into communal living and traditional crafts. 5. National Mississippi River Museum and Aquarium, situated in Dubuque. This museum highlights the ecological and cultural significance of the Mississippi River. 6. Bridges of Madison County, made famous by the novel and subsequent movie. The covered bridges of Madison County provide a scenic and romantic setting for visitors. 7. Maquoketa Caves State Park. Nature lovers can explore a network of caves, hike trails, and enjoy stunning limestone formations in this state park. 8. Pella, known as Iowa's Dutch treasure. Pella is a charming town with authentic Dutch architecture, festivals, and delicious Dutch pastries. 9. John Wayne Birthplace Museum, located in Winterset. This museum celebrates the life and career of the iconic American actor, John Wayne. 10. Iowa Great Lakes, offering a range of recreational activities, including boating, fishing, and swimming. The Iowa Great Lakes region is a popular summer destination. 11. Adventureland Park. This amusement park in Altoona features thrilling rides, water slides, live shows, and entertainment for the whole family. 12. Herbert Hoover National Historic Site. Explore the birthplace and childhood home of the 31st President of the United States, Herbert Hoover, in West Ranch. In summary, Iowa State in the USA is a captivating destination with a rich history, diverse culture, and strong agricultural roots. From its vibrant capital of Des Moines to the natural beauty of its state parks and attractions like the Field of Dreams and Amana Colonies, Iowa offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying the welcoming hospitality of the Midwest, Iowa is a must-visit destination. Poem: The Heartland's Pride. In the heart of the nation, where the cornfields sway, lies a state of charm and wonder, where visitors often stray. Iowa, dear Iowa, with your golden fields so wide, you capture our spirits and fill us with pride. From the banks of the Mississippi to the rolling Loess Hills, your landscapes paint a picture that nature instills. The Iowa State Capitol, a beacon shining bright, reflecting the history and dreams taking flight. Oh, Field of Dreams, where memories are made. Baseball's magic lingers in the cornstalk's shade. Effigy mounds, with ancient stories untold, whispering secrets of those who came before the bold. Amana Colonies, a glimpse of days gone by. German traditions, crafts, and delights nearby. Bridges of Madison County, love's enchanting embrace. Covered in romance, time stands still in this place. The Mississippi River, a lifeline flowing strong, nurturing life and communities where we belong. John Wayne's birthplace, a legend's humble start. A tribute to the Duke, forever in our heart. Iowa Great Lakes, where summer dreams unfold. Splashing in laughter, memories untold. Adventureland's thrill, joy fills the air. Moments of excitement, memories we share. Herbert Hoover's legacy, a humble son of Iowa. Leadership and service, his spirit we draw. Pella's Dutch charm, a taste of old world grace. A vibrant tapestry of culture in this space. Iowa, dear Iowa, your spirit shines through. Your people, your stories, both old and new. With open arms, you welcome all who roam. In the heart of the heartland, we find our home. Song, Fields of Gold. Verse 1. In Iowa's heart, where the stories unfold, there lies a beauty, more precious than gold. Fields of corn reaching to the sky, whispering tales as the winds pass by. Chorus. Oh Iowa, dear Iowa, your spirit runs deep. In your embrace, we find solace to keep. From the capital's grace to the rivers that flow, in your charm, dear Iowa, we find love's glow. Verse 2. The bridges of Madison, where love takes flight, covered in romance, under starry nights. The Field of Dreams, where legends reside. Baseball's magic, filling hearts with pride. Chorus. Oh Iowa, dear Iowa, your spirit runs deep. In your embrace, we find solace to keep. From the capital's grace to the rivers that flow, in your charm, dear Iowa, we find love's glow. Bridge. Effigy mounds rising, with ancient grace, whispering secrets of another time and place. Amana Colonies, a heritage to behold. Dutch traditions shining, more precious than gold. Chorus. Oh Iowa, dear Iowa, your spirit runs deep. In your embrace, we find solace to keep. From the capital's grace to the rivers that flow, in your charm, dear Iowa, we find love's glow. Outro. In Iowa's heart, where memories are made, a symphony of wonder, a serenade. Oh Iowa, dear Iowa, forever we'll sing. In your embrace, our spirits take wing. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place. And their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.